How to create a business account in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can create a business account on Instagram. Let's dive in the tutorial.
First, download the Instagram app from the App Store or Google Play and open it. On the home page, you will see an option to create account at the bottom of the page. Click on it to begin the process. Then choose a unique username and a strong password to create your account. After entering your details, click Complete Sign Up. Now, personalize your account by adding a profile picture, bio, and other details. And that's it. You've successfully created your Instagram account.
Now let's turn this new Instagram account into a business account. First, go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Now scroll and scroll to find account type and tools under for professionals and tap on it. There you can see an option to switch to professional account. Tap on it and hit next. Choose the category whose business you want to open and tap on switch to professional account. Confirm your decision and on the next page you'll get two options. Choose business for your brand and hit continue. Now add in your email address, mobile number and your home address and tap display on contact info and hit save. Now you can set up your professional account right now or even later. Then your business page is now successfully ready. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.